Snap Inc., the parent company of Snapchat, has currently been recovering from its lows from March due to the pandemic. Although the company has been consistently making continuous software updates and upgrades to its social media platform, it has not seen any major improvements and spikes like other social media platforms during the pandemic. That all changed on Tuesday when Goldman Sachs raised the target price for Snap Inc. and praised the company's business model in the third quarter. In today's video, we will be going over the state of Snapchat stock, Goldman Sachs' remarks that helped boost Snap Inc. in the final week of trading for 2020, and whether or not you should invest in Snap in 2021. Hello everyone, this is Chris with MC Stocks, where we go over the basics of the stock market and investing and bring you the latest news on trending stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. With that being said, let's get straight into it by going over how Snap Inc. performed on Tuesday. The shares for Snap Inc. rose over 8% on Tuesday, with Goldman Sachs raising its price target from $47 to $70, which is a huge increase for the company. As you can see in the first 2 quarters of the year, they experienced a short hit due to the pandemic in the early weeks of March, but they were able to recover around the final weeks of June, increasing their stock price to around 61% from January. But more importantly, as you can see in the third quarter at around October, a massive spike in their share prices occurred because of them revealing how much revenue they were pulling in and acquiring 11 million new daily users. Their revenue earnings shattered Wall Street's third quarter expectations, which led investors to rally behind Snapchat. This news with Goldman Sachs only adds more good news to Snapchat. Goldman Sachs analyst Heath Terry states that Snapchat has been showing great outperformance in relation to their business model heading into the fourth quarter. Snapchat's software developments and technological innovations have been much faster than expected in their revenue. They are likely to finish off the fourth quarter with accelerated revenue growth and a coherent business model that can take the social media platform to new heights. It is important to know, however, that Snapchat has declined to release their fourth quarter numbers just yet because of the uncertainty of the pandemic and any fluctuations that may arise in their revenue growth. When Snapchat decides to release their fourth quarter earnings, it will be very interesting to see whether Goldman Sachs' recent comments will spur a similar amount of growth in Snap Inc. stock like they experienced around October. From what we can determine now, Snapchat seems to be heading in the right direction in terms of advertising and providing quality content for their users. What has not been widely reported recently is the partnership made between Snapchat and Unity Software, the world's leading platform for 3D content. Their partnership allows Unity Software ad supply to also be extended to Snapchat advertisers and also provide Unity game developers to use Snapchat tech in their work. To put this partnership into perspective, Unity Software is responsible for around 50% of all the mobile games in the market. So this partnership allows Snapchat to reach even more users and an even bigger audience than ever before. Since these partnerships are happening very near at the end of 2020, Snap Inc. could be receiving a huge market gain heading into 2021. Because of such good news, this may be a very good catalyst for the stock to continue its overall upward trend. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post our next video. Like this video for more content similar to this one, and post any questions you have in the comment section below, and we will address them in upcoming videos. Thanks.